नमस्कार, ड्राईव्ह टू बिलीव्ह इटमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. SUVचा सेल आजकाल खूप वाढलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला खूप गाड्या रस्त्यावरती पण दिसतात. पण Volkswagenकडनं आपल्याला जास्त काही SUVs दिसल्या नव्हत्या आत्तापर्यंत. एक अनोखी अशी SUV त्यांची म्हणजे T-Roc आहे, जी पूर्णपणे बाहेरनं इम्पोर्ट केली जाते आणि त्याच गाडीबद्दल आज आपण थोडंसं जाणून घेणार आहे. सो ही गाडी आहे माझ्या मागे. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले, लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. सो कुशलजी, आपण आता T-Roc चालवत आहे. व्हॉट कॅन यू टेल अस अबाउट दिस व्हेकल? व्हॉट इज सो स्पेशल अबाउट दिस कार?
So, as you know, Volkswagen is already, very much aggressive about its SUVWs, that is, sports utility Volkswagens.
Okay.
So, one in the lineage of SUVWs is this T-Roc. If you look at the interiors are quite impressive.
They are.
Yeah.
I can agree.
Yeah. So you can look at the orientation of this, infotainment system. So it is quite ergonomic for the driver.
Correct. मला महत्व as a driver, I'm getting the importance.
Exactly. Now you're driving the car. Of course, you must be feeling about the driving dynamics of the vehicle.
Yes.
So astounding. Once you sit on the steering, once you hold the steering and you leave the steering, then you don't have that feel of I'm driving something else, not a Volkswagen. So the driving dynamics are so impressive. Talking about the DSG, it is a 7-speed DSG that we are having over here. So
I know. I think आपण already चौथ्या gearवर आहे. I'm not even.
Yeah, the torque is enormous. 250 Nm. The peak torque, and that is also very flat. Starts from 1500 RPM.
Oh wow!
And it lasts up to 3500. So 2000 RPM का range मिलता है. So basically, this is enormous for a city driving. You did not, basically even if you're driving in a manual mode, of course the shift down is automatic only. But then again, you also have pedal shifters.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So those pedal shifters will, enhance your driving pleasure, especially when you want to, feel the thrill of driving.
Correct.
So, of course, this car is, best in the lineage. We can talk about urban SUVs. Yes, it is best. The comfort that you are experiencing here, you have, the seats are quite, built around the driver only. They are wraparound seats.
Yeah, exactly.
So, that's also the added benefit of this car. See, Volkswagen is all about, driving dynamics.
Correct.
And the safety, of course. You know about the laser welding, the build quality of this car. So lot of different experiences from users are coming.
Right.
That once you drive a Volkswagen, you never feel like driving any other car. So that kind of confidence this car gives.
There is a certain reliability and build quality. एक solid feel येतो.
Yes.
जेव्हा केव्हा Volkswagenच्या गाड्या चालवतात. आणि I think I noticed it first with the Polo GT.
Exactly.
That DSG आणि ते जे सगळं ड्रायव्हिंग डायनॅमिक्स होता.
Yeah.
The vehicle was made for a driver. Like passionate and enthusiastic people will absolutely love driving a Volkswagen, and especially this vehicle.
Yeah, exactly. When you look at the instrument cluster, it is completely digital, and even the needles, those are not analog needles; those are digital needles. You can see. Yeah.
So it actually has quite a good visibility. त्याच्यावर ऊन अजिबात येत नाहीये. So अगदी छान मला गोष्टी वाचता येत आहेत. That is, I think, something really good. आणि आय थिंक आपल्याकडे एक छोटासा एम्प्टी पॅच मिळायची शक्यता आहे. वी कॅन ट्राय इट. चेक आउट हाऊ द इंजिन गोज.
Yeah.
इंजिनचं काय सांगू?
So 1.5 liter TSI comes with the ACT technology, that is active cylinder technology. Basically when you are cruising on highways, so you don't require much power. In that case, you can save fuel by shutting off 2 cylinders.
Oh wow!
So the center 2 cylinders will shut off, and only the extreme 2 cylinders will run, just to provide you a cruising torque. And once again, when you demand for more power and more torque, you just floor the pedal, and all the 4 cylinders starts working, and you get the maximum power and torque.
गाडी बंद.
Yeah. So this is the auto starts off function, which will enable the driver to save more fuel and also take care of the environment.
Oh wow! Okay.
Sure.
This is quite good.
Yeah.
मग आता समजा आपण स्पोर्ट्स मध्ये काही जायची गरज आहे का? म्हणजे कॅन वी जस्ट सेट ऑफ?
No, you can just start off. No issue.
Okay.
Not at all.
मागे कोणी नाहीये. Checked and okay. Wow.
So
That's fun.
yeah, exactly. So you saw it for yourself.
Okay.
The 250 Nm of torque is really practical, and
ESP
Doesn't
चा
let you
लाईट
down.
पण आला लगेच.
Yes.
आय थिंक थोडा पाऊस पडल्यामुळे रस्ता पण आय डेंट फील इट लुझिंग कंट्रोल
No,
इवन
no.
फॉर अ मिली सेकंड म्हणजे
Safety,
immediate.
the driving dynamics and the related safety, active safety and passive safety of Volkswagens, it is unmatched in the industry. ABS, ESP, brake assist. Then you have auto hold function, wherein you can, if you're stopping at a traffic at a red light,
Okay.
especially, and you don't want to keep your foot on the brake pedal, you can just engage the auto hold function and leave the accelerator pedal, and the car will stop for you without any requirement of pressing the brake pedal.
Okay.
Just press the accelerator pedal and the car will start off even if you're on D mode. So
Okay.
that is the magic of auto hold function. You don't even require to press the brake pedal for a brief period of time, or say for a
fantastic.
lengthened period of time. So that is another good feature given in this car. So that is called auto hold. Additionally, you have this C-type USB ports over here.
Oh right.
Yeah. So
दोन आहेत आणि त्याला.
yeah, this is quite thoughtful feature because nowadays all phones are having C-type of
Correct.
and even OTG pen drives are coming in C-type.
Correct.
So that is the reason you have for your convenience, for the customer's convenience, this C-type ports are given.
सो कुशलजी आय कॅन सी दॅट इथं D/S चा सिम्बल आहे.
Yeah.
हाऊ डू आय पुट इट सेपरेटली इन स्पोर्ट्स मोड किंवा काय करायला लागेल
You can
मला?
shift on fly. There is no need of stopping the car, turning off the engine or something like that. You can shift
Okay.
on fly. You can shift from the automatic mode into the sports mode, that is the manual mode.
Okay.
And you can enjoy driving with your pedal shifters, of course.
Wow, right.
And the best thing about this, upshifting you require manual control.
Okay.
Whereas downshifting, again, it is taken care by the computer only. If you forget to downshift, in that case, the intelligent mechatronics will downshift for you without any trouble. So there is no problem of engine stalling.
Right.
Yeah, and so that funny kind of thing will never happen, that your engine stalls and it goes off because you forgot to downshift.
Correct.
At lower speeds.
So you're telling me I can actually hold my revs for
Yeah.
as much time as I want and it will not automatically
Yeah,
upshift.
yeah.
That is interesting. आपण हे ट्राय करू. सो मी हे कसं ऍक्टिवेट करायचं?
So while driving, you can just shift to left. This pedal, this
Okay.
lever can be
Without pressing
Just
anything?
give a nudge to the left and
Oh, okay.
definitely, yeah.
So now I'm in manual.
Yeah.
So this is M1
Yeah.
and this is not going to shift up if I just rev it. आता आपण सिग्नललाच आहोत.
Exactly.
मी आता ओके हे काय आलं?
So you can just see the park assist and the proximity assist just gave you the warning that
Right.
something is near you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The system warns you that something is very close by to
Okay,
you.
it's not upshifting. It's telling me that I should go
You should
to-
shift. Yeah, it will give you an indication. It will give you a warning that you should shift to the next gear, but it will not upshift unless and until you do it manually.
And that's done. Okay. Now it is again telling me 2 to 3.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is the gear shift indicator. That it indicates that you should go to the next.
correct.
So yeah, exactly.
And the shifts are quite fast. I mean, we pedal after and within a second itself gear already engaged.
That's the magic of the amalgamation of mechatronics system and the 7-speed DSG. So
Absolutely.
7-speed DSG is absolutely smooth compared to, you can compare it to a CVT
right.
at certain times, because it will not even let you know that you're shifting, that kind of jerk is not felt,
Correct.
because you must have been experiencing the jerks in manual transmissions, of course,
Correct.
when you cannot sync with the speed of the engine and the wheel
Right.
especially. But the DSG will never let you know that you're driving a kind of a geared transmission
Correct.
vehicle.
Correct.
It will always give a feel of CVT, which is a belt driven transmission, of course. So
But without
seamless-
the effect of that.
yeah, the seamless gear shifting lets you have that feel particularly.
Correct.
So despite being a quite sophisticated technology and quite complicated, having two different shafts to take care of two different sets of gear, you still have that feel of seamless driving.
राईट. आपण आता बोलता माझ्या लक्षात नाही आलं की आपण मॅन्युअल मध्ये आहोत
हो.
आणि ऍक्च्युली गाडीने डाऊनशिफ्ट करून स्पीड ब्रेकरच्या इकडे फर्स्ट मध्ये
Yes,
आणून
yes.
अँड देन व्हेन आय अपशिफ्ट आय गेट दिस रेव. ऑफकोर्स यू कॅन हिअर द इंजिन विच इज अ व्हेरी नाईस नोट बाय द वे.
Yeah.
And it's immediately telling me that I need to shift. I think this is really good. I think the combination of the DSG and this TSI, I think the TSI petrol engines are something Volkswagen is banking on heavily, and those engines have got a lot to bring with them in terms of power, refinement and efficiency.
So bagging 2 technology awards worldwide by TSI it tells its story in itself. Basically, it's a big story, that big success story from Volkswagen. This technology brings, the concept of downsizing.
Right.
Even if you downsize the, from 2 liter you came to 1.5 liter, from 1.5 liter you came to 1.2, from 1.2 you came to 1 liter.
Right.
But the amount of torque and power, it is never compromised. So downsizing concept, which Volkswagen has brought in its products,
Right.
saves a lot of space and weight for the car, making the car more efficient,
Right.
making the car more peppy.
Correct.
So it always comes about the power to weight ratio. So power to weight ratio, to maintain that particular power to weight ratio, downsizing is required. So Volkswagen has intelligently downsized its engine.
Right.
Yeah, that means even giving a smaller engine, they never compromise with power and torque.
Oh, that's
Yeah, so that's the magic of TSI technology.
फॅन्टॅस्टिक. आय थिंक मी परत स्पोर्ट मोडमध्ये ड्राईव्ह मोडमध्ये परत
Yeah,
येतो.
yeah,
आय थिंक इट्स सुपरली कन्व्हिनियंट. कळत पण नाहीये लिटरली वेन द गिअर शिफ्ट्स आर हॅपनिंग अँड आय डोंट हॅव टू पुट माय माइंड टू इट, विच इज अ गुड थिंग. ऑलराईट, सो आपण ड्रायव्हिंग बद्दल बरंच बोललो अँड जस्ट गोईंग अराउंड इन द सिटी आय कॅन ॲक्च्युली फील दॅट दिस इज अ व्हेरी एन्थुझियास्ट अँड अ व्हेरी ड्रायव्हर्स काइंड ऑफ अ व्हेकल. The steering is quite light. It's very easy to drive it. It's got that exact weight. म्हणजे अगदीच इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्हणजे लाईफलेस स्टेअरिंग असं नाही आहे त्याचं. You're getting decent amount of feedback from the road as well. आणि the dynamics are very good. I mean, आपण पॉटहोल्समध्ये वगैरे जातोय, बट इट्स स्टेबल आणि माझ्या पाठीवरती त्याचा काही इफेक्ट येत नाहीये. So
Of course. So the suspension we're talking about, suspension, especially the front is again independent McPherson and the rear one is a torsion bar, and the tuning is in such a way that you will feel that jerkless and comfortable drive even in bad patch of roads.
Right.
Especially this car is an urban SUV, so not a full time off-roader, but still the suspension is tuned in such a way that yes, the suspension will give you a feel of SUV. So yeah, so even if you're driving on good patches and bad patches, so it can negotiate the bad patches very easily,
alright.
and it's piece of cake for this particular car to even handle bad roads.
Yeah, that's true. आता पण सिग्नलवर असताना परत इंजिन ऑटोमॅटिकली बंद झालं अँड विदिन अ सेकंड इट जस्ट स्टार्ट्स. देयर इज नो लॅग एट ऑल. दिस इज आय थिंक समथिंग याला सॉर्ट ऑफ हायब्रिड टेक्नॉलॉजी असं म्हणता येईल, मायक्रो हायब्रिडच्या प्रकारामध्ये.
Yeah, exactly. Basically the starting is so silent because the starting does not involve the operation of starter motor here.
Okay.
And that is the reason this, you just experienced the starting. It was completely, you didn't even feel the jerk of the engine starting.
Absolutely.
So that's the good thing about the Evo technology. So it's 1.5 TSI ACT with Evo. So yeah, the auto start stop system, and basically the engine start. So whenever the first engine the first time start is involved, it involves the operation of starter motor. The rest, all the auto start stop functions, they are handled by the Evo technology.
फॅन्टॅस्टिक. ऑलराईट, सो आपण गाडीच्या आतमधलं बरंच काही आतापर्यंत बोललेलो आहोत. बाहेरनं तुम्ही काय सांगाल गाडीबद्दल?
खूप डिटेलिंग आहे. म्हणजे आपण ज्यावेळेस बघितलं द क्रीज लाईन्स अँड इवन दी प्लेसमेंट ऑफ दी fog lamp, placement of the logo, and the overall the front grille, and the edges of the car. The edges of the car are quite classic. They are not much more curvy. Neither does it give a look of a boxy car.
Right.
So they are quite appropriately designed.
So they're like European simplicity येते.
European simplicity, the German classic look of a car. It gives a German look, German feel to the car. So it looks something like a mature masculine car.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. Definitely it does. So आपण interiors बद्दल बोललो and we also talked about the looks of the car.
Yeah.
What external features does the T-Roc have to make it so unique?
Yeah, so the thing that really impressed me was about the headlamps. So it has dual barrel headlamps on both the sides, left and right.
Okay.
So LED headlamps, of course, and these, the extreme right barrel does have a projector.
Okay.
To give a very good collimating beam, and another one is a matrix headlamp. So LED matrix reflector. So basically that matrix enables the light to be spread in such a way, or the light to be focused in such a way that it will create a very good flood effect, and even a small pebble can cast a shadow on the road.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the magic of having a matrix reflector inside the bezel. So that is quite impressive.
But I see this really nice display in the middle. So ह्याच्याबद्दल काय सांगाल? What all can I get from this display?
Yeah, so what you see in front of you is the 7 inches touchscreen infotainment system,
Right.
landscape oriented, quite ergonomically designed and placed for convenience of the driver. And of course, a lot of feature loaded infotainment system. You can see here we have tire pressure monitoring system. We also have the app connect, where you can connect your Android, your iPhone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and pair with get the entire connectivity features whenever you require telematics, mobile phone based telematics. Basically, you can have navigation, you can spot, you can have live traffic updates.
Okay. So it will be completely synced to the mobile phone, and मग जे apps तुमच्याकडे आहेत, you can just project
Yeah, yeah.
them and use them.
Yeah.
Alright. So no need to get distracted with your phone, which is always a good thing safety wise. आणि आपण सेफ्टीचं बोलतोच आहे तर what kind of safety features does the new T-Roc have?
Yeah, so when we talk about the braking safety, we have anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution.
Okay.
So again, takes care of the front and rear axle loading.
Okay.
So no swerving of vehicle even if your rear axle is loaded excessively.
Okay.
So which generally we Indians do. We load a lot of things on the rear side.
Correct. Correct.
Then we face issues while braking because the car doesn't stop at the prescribed distance.
Right.
But not a problem with T-Roc because it comes with electronic brake force distribution.
Okay.
And of course, ESP, electronic stability programs, negotiates sharp turns very easily.
Right.
So no need to worry about understeering and oversteering.
Right. I think
Yeah.
that we experienced जेव्हा आपण मगाशी एक
Yeah,
start
and
stop
the traction control. So traction control will take care of all the slippery roads.
Correct.
Of course, in this rainy season.
कुशलजी दिस सीम्स लाईक अ रिअली गुड पॅकेज. पण आता समजा एखाद्याला घ्यायची असेल तर आय डोंट थिंक दिस कार इज मेड इन इंडिया. इट्स इम्पोर्टेड. काय आहे एक्झॅक्टली?
It's a CBU. It comes as a completely built-up unit. It is
Okay.
not made in India. It comes from Europe, and
Okay.
it basically follows all the European standards of safety and the drive quality.
The
being
exact
suitable
car
to the-
is what someone buying in Europe is also going to get.
The car a person is driving in Germany
Okay.
is only a LHD, and the same car you're driving here is a RHD. That is right-hand drive.
Okay.
Absolutely, this is the same car, the same standards,
All right.
everything remains the same.
It's fantastic. आय थिंक इंडियामध्ये बसल्या बसल्या ॲक्च्युली तुम्हाला गाडी म्हणजे जुन्या काळात जशी इम्पोर्ट करून मिळायची
Yes.
तसं दॅट एक्झॅक्ट थिंग इज हॅपनिंग हिअर.
Yeah.
So there's a air of exclusivity when you own this car.
Yeah, of course.
There's nothing like it. It's very rare to see a T-Roc on the road.
First come first serve. If you miss the chance, it's gone.
Fantastic.
And I'll tell you, we don't have a single car remaining in the stock from last year.
Oh wow. Okay. पॅन्डेमिकच्या काळामध्ये
Yes.
पण 2500
Yes.
गाड्या टोटल तुमच्या
Yes,
आहेत.
yes, yes.
Oh, fantastic. I think that speaks volumes about the reason why a lot of people are looking for this car, because either the driving dynamics are really European. It's signature Volkswagen.
Yeah.
We are on the highway right now, cruising, आणि literally बाहेरचा आवाज काही येत नाहीये. The road is being ironed out for any small creases or bumps that it might have. It's fantastic. And then there is the part that you are going to have a car which is so unique that you will actually find it very rare to spot another T-Roc. And I think it's offered in really good colors as well,
Yeah.
which makes it another Sone Pe Suhaga type of
You should see the combination of red and black. So the black top and the red exteriors.
Oh, okay.
Really,
So
it's a
dual tone
dual tone.
या वर्षी I think हे
Yes,
dual
yes,
toneच्या
dual
गाड्या
tone,
आहेत. Fantastic. That is really good to hear. I think people should be really looking forward to this version of the 2021 T-Roc. आणि आपल्याकडे ह्याच्या टेस्ट ड्राईव्ह चालू झालेल्या आहेत.
Yeah, of course. Test drive चालू झालेले आहेत.
सो ही होती Volkswagenची T-Roc. तुम्ही फक्त माझी प्रतिक्रिया बघितलेली आहे. ॲक्च्युली गाडी कशी आहे ही जाणून घेण्यासाठी तुम्ही व्यू भंडारीच्या कुठल्याही शोरूमला येऊ शकतात. आता तर त्यांचं शोरूम शिवाजीनगरला पण झालेलं आहे. सो वाकड, पाषाण किंवा शिवाजीनगर, आजच ड्राईव्ह डाऊन टू युअर नियरेस्ट व्यू भंडारी शोरूम अँड टेस्ट ड्राईव्ह द न्यू T-Roc 2021. इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड व्हॅल्यू फॉर मनी ड्रायव्हर्स कार अँड यू शुड बी हॅव्हिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन इफ यू हॅव वन. एन्जॉय द युनिकनेस. 1250 फक्त पूर्ण भारतामध्ये येणार आहेत. सो इमॅजिन पुण्यामध्ये किती युनिक ही गाडी असेल. याच युनिकनेससाठी आजच ड्राईव्ह इट टू बिलीव्ह इट, द Volkswagen T-Roc 2021.